Hello everyone! So here are some tips on how to properly care for your Sony WH-CH520 headphones. So first of all, make sure to always use the original Sony cable for charging and listening, because using other cables might affect sound quality and the headphones' durability. Avoid exposing your headphones to water. Rain, splashes and sweat aren't great for electronics, so if they do get wet, gently dry them off. Also, never charge your headphones while they're wet. After listening to your favorite tracks, take out headphones carefully by pulling on the sides. So take them off by pulling on the sides. Don't yank them by the headband. We know listening to music is bad is awesome, but I would not recommend you falling asleep with your headphones because you might wake up and find them damaged. Store your headphones in case or pouch when not in use. And the last but not least is to regularly clean your headphones. Use some soft material like cotton swabs or pads. So clean these areas out of the dirt, dust, earwax, and so on. Avoid sharp and harsh objects. These little simple tips will keep your Sony WH-CH520 headphones in great conditions. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.